Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by powering off and entering the firmware setup immediately. This is where secure boot lives. Once you see the manufacturer logo, press the designated key. On Xiaomi models, this is often F2 or a Novo button, so you land in UEFI. Make sure the laptop is plugged in and external media removed to avoid accidental boots. You should also look for an option to show advanced settings or hidden menus. That unlocks the security options you need to change next. Once in UEFI, head to the Security or Boot section. Secure Boot is commonly nested there. You disable it by selecting Secure Boot and choosing Disabled, or by changing OS type from Windows UEFI to Other or Legacy. This allows unsigned bootloaders. Make sure you understand why. Disabling permits alternative OSes and unsigned drivers to run. Save your change to the firmware, but pause. If the system prompts about TPM keys or requires you finish by saving settings and choosing Reboot or Save and Exit. The machine should now boot under the new policy. Once done, check your operating system starts normally and that driver's load. If it fails to boot, power down and re-enter UEFI to re-enable Secure Boot or restore defaults, then try the procedure again more conservatively. Don't clear platform keys unless you must. As a key troubleshooting tip, keep recovery media handy. It lets you restore the original firmware state if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.